Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal at Walmart. So I will be on the Walmart online and I will be just see the help article. So how I was just pay through the PayPal. So here is the Walmart accepts several payments methods such as following like EBT cards for the participating states of the purchase of EBT eligible items, debit card, credit card, pay by bank, gift card. Note you cannot use a gift card to purchase another gift card. So refund, credit, health spending account, and benefit cards for the purchase of eligible items. And the last is PayPal. So how gonna be use the PayPal to pay on Walmart? So if I just Google, so it will says there walmart.com and Walmart app. You can use PayPal to pay for purchases on walmart.com and through the Walmart app. In store payments, you can use PayPal to pay in store using the PayPal debit card, QRC, or a pay at pump. And Walmart Pay, Walmart also has its own mobile payment system called Walmart Pay, which can be used for in store purchases. So in this way, you will just pay with PayPal at Walmart. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.